A crazy sell-off in the markets today. The Dow down 317 points. My name's Des Woodruff here at Grok Trade. It's Thursday, July 31st, 2014. The markets have a sizable sell-off. You'll see here the S&P down a whopping 2%, down 39 points. The Dow down 1.88%. NASDAQ down more than 2%. Russell's down 2.3%. Huge crack in the markets. Massive. Banks off by 1.44%. A staggering spike in the fear. The VIX indicator spiking higher, 28.36%, now over 17. Gold, silver rocked. Crude oil rocked. US dollar up a fraction. The trend closes in bullish territory. This is huge. Let's talk about this. Now, I'm getting this video out ASAP because we're going to have a spike in users coming to watch these videos, and we're giving you the latest. Now, I need everybody to understand this. We've been in this massive uptrend, making higher swing highs, higher swing lows, staying for the most part above all major moving averages. This is the S&P 500. We talked about the triangle here. We talked about this triangle. We said, hey, this could be problematic. Could turn into a breakdown, or this could break out, but this was a rising wedge with a bearish divergence. You guys remember calling out this warning. Next bar, the very next trading day, we get this. I started screaming, saying this is the crack in the ice. Bad things are to come. Hedge yourself, hedge yourself, hedge yourself. And some of you heeded, not all of you. The website teachmetehedge.com. Go there, get it. It's 97 bucks. The best 97 bucks you ever spent in your life. Teachmetehedge.com. But here I said hedge yourself or get out of longs or get stops put on them. Next day was turbulent, and this was yesterday, and I said gang in my headlines was there's trouble in the market. Stock markets in trouble was my headline. This was yesterday. Today crashed. I mean, boom, to the downside. Massive drop with the close at the day's low. Just a huge sell-off. And we are not only below the 20-day moving average, we're now below the 50-day moving average. And just to add insult to injury, this trend line, this big dark line, the gray lines, I usually make gray because they go back for a while. We have support here, we go higher. Boom, cracked it. The only saving grace we have right now is we closed at a support level. Right here, this 1930 was a line I've had this line on for the last few weeks. I mean, I would say the last month or two, I've had this line on. And sure enough, finding support right there. Now, because the trend ended on a very bullish note and we're at a support level and we're very extended to the downside, I picked up longs going into today's close. Matter of fact, I couldn't pick them up fast enough. The markets closed on me while I was trying to put on another trade. Anyway, big drop. Markets are big time in trouble. Here's something else. This puts the monthly charts on the Dow and the S&P in negative territory. We are now negative for the month. Take a look here at the Dow. Red candlestick making a low. I think this could be our high that we've been talking about. I'm looking for a decisive correction here in the markets. I think it is time for that to happen. Back on the S&P 500, let's go to the weekly chart. Remember, I was telling you at the beginning of the week, hey, we have a bullish pennant, but these triangles, you expect a big white candlestick or a red one. Remember me saying that? Well, there it is. There's your big red one. Have alerts in place. I had a bunch of hedge protection on my longs. I unloaded my longs the last few days. I only had a few of my stronger ones that I kept, but was very much on the short side going into today's market, just based off of what we talked about on the technicals. Boom. I unloaded a large part of my hedge at the end of today and went long, hoping for a little bounce. Hopefully I'll get a bit of a bounce, but I'm telling you, I don't think we are out of the woodwork yet. I think we do have some support coming up on the weekly chart, but things could get nasty and fast. And take a look at gold. Gold on the daily chart just dropping. Same thing with silver. Apple here has popped up and then come crashing back down, but we're at a support level on Apple, down 3% here on Amazon, just in trouble. Facebook 2.7. Really like this bull pullback. I still have Apple. I picked up some Facebook. Google just drop. GoPro, I picked up GoPro today too on this because I think we're gonna have a pop going into tomorrow. LinkedIn, I think I bought some LinkedIn today too. It'd be interesting to find. I can't remember. Microsoft closed below a support level. Netflix here kind of in trouble. Twitter, big pop. I did buy Twitter today. So looking for upside potential on a dead cat bounce that could happen tomorrow. For all you cat lovers, it's just a term. I love cats myself, but we have a dog. Anyway, my wife loves the cats. I like dogs. We have a dog right now because our cats had ran their life. All right. So back to this. We're doing a webinar tonight, tomorrow, and Saturday. It's free. Do yourself a huge favor and never ever pass up a Grok trade educational class. And that's what we're doing. Just go to the website, go here, click the time that works best for you. Do that. Teach Me to Hedge is not in here. You have to go to teachmetehedge.com and get that. But for you guys that need to know how to trade on the short side too, definitely look at the 201 trading courses. It comes with a coach. We're going to throw in a trading coach with these video-based tutorials. We do stock picks on the bull and bear side. So we're in a bearish market. We're one of the very few places that will give you bearish picks each week. Anyway, we've got a lot of good stuff here. If you haven't done so yet, subscribe or like the video so you're connected with this and you never miss out. Because again, tooting my own horn here, we were calling that the markets were in dire trouble, slippery slope. There it is. It fell off a cliff right here. And this is all technical analysis. You want to be connected with the best. We're here to help you. Get connected with us any way you can. Take care, safe trading. Share this very important video with a friend. It will help them, if not save them, a ton of money in the markets. And on the flip side, we can make a ton of money in this bearish market. Learn how to short.